How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you are going to be withdrawing your money from Binance to Revolut in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And it's going to be really fun and really simple and really easy to do this. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the full in-depth analysis of how we're going to do this. So to do this, you're going to come over to Binance.com. Once you're Binance.com, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to trade. Once you come over to trade, you're going to come down here where it says P2P. So here it says buy and sell cryptocurrencies using bank transfer and 800 plus options. Okay, so we're going to go over to P2P. Once you go over to P2P, you're obviously going to choose your currency. So we are gonna want to go with Binance, right? So to go with whatever currency you have, let's say I have Ethereum. Okay, so I want to transfer ETB or something like that. You're going to enter the amount of ETB, and then it says all payments. What you're going to do is you're going to search up Revolut over here. And in the case that you don't get Revolut, you can obviously add Revolut in these really easily by just coming here on trade. You can even try on sell. Even on seller market, sometimes Revolut is there, or you can even try BTC. There's different markets that Revolut is present on, but in the case that it's not present currently, then you are going to need to add it into the market using obviously the futures or the earn button. So you can go into the market section, and once you go into the market section, you can make sure that Revolut is added. In the case that Revolut is not added, you could try some other time because, you know, there's different markets that when Revolut is allowed to be added. So yeah, just make sure that the timing is correct. So all you're going to do, again, go to trade, go to P2P, enter your basic, money to transfer. And once you do that, like let's say you can also go with a much more common cryptocurrency. Let's say I want to go with USD, right? I'm going to find my USD over here. There's our USD. Then you're going to go into all payments. And you have Wise, you have Add Cash, but if you search up Revolut, there we go. There you have Revolut. And that is how you're going to withdraw money from your Binance to a Revolut. So basically, that's about it. That is how you can do this. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.